Food supply and habitat destruction. IGCSE Biology, Crazy IGCSE. Here is the syllabus content for the topic. So we will be learning the food supply and habitat destruction. The improved food production methods include agricultural machinery. This improves the efficiency due to the ability of larger areas of land. Chemical fertilizers to improve the yields, which increases the amount of nutrients in the soil. This enables it to grow larger with more fruits produced. Insecticide and herbicide. Insecticide kills insects and herbicides kills plants. So these chemicals kill unwanted insects and plants. This reduces the competition for remaining plants. Selective breeding. Animals in crop plants which produce a larger yield are selectively bred to produce breeds that reliably produce higher yields. This is in agricultural machinery, and this is the insecticide and herbicide fertilizers. Monoculture. This means only one type of crop is grown in an area. An example is palm oil seeds in the Indonesian forest. It does not happen naturally, where there are different species of many plants, which this supports many species of animals' high biodiversity. Although in monoculture the biodiversity factor is low, it also increases the pest pollution. Insecticides will be sprayed, causing harmless insects being killed. The pollution by pesticides, pests may eventually become resistant to them, reducing the effectiveness. Intensive livestock farming. In developed countries, the livestock are kept in a place which will not be able to support more than a small number. They are fed high energy foods, regularly given antibiotics against diseases, and kept in artificially warm temperatures and small places for less movement. Ecological issues. The reduction in biodiversity, overgrazing leads to soil erosion, larger amount of cattle produce methane. Global food supply. Famine occurs when there is less food. Drought increasing poverty, floods, earthquake, volcano, etc. As population increases, food supply needs to increase as well. That is to meet the increasing needs of people. Increased rate of deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions leading to global warming, and rising sea levels. Reasons for habitat destruction. An increasing human population leading to a destruction of rainforests and to marine life. Habitats destroyed for economic activities. It interrupts food chains and food webs. So these are the reasons. Clearing land for farming and housing. So the crops, livestock and homes all take up a large amount of space, and there is an increasing population and demand for food, and the amount of land available for these things must be increased. It will cause deforestation. The extraction of natural resources such as wood, stone, metals needs to be gathered to make different products. Therefore, many trees will be cut down, and that will destroy the forest habitats, leading to deforestation. The examples include mining, which means that the land must be cleared first. Marine pollution. So human activities lead to pollution of marine habitats. In many places, oil spills and other waste pollutes the oceans, killing sea life. So this is basically water pollution. In addition, the eutrophication can occur when fertilizers from intensively farmed fields enters waterways. This will cause a huge decrease in biodiversity in such areas, as most of those aquatic species living in these waterways die from lack of oxygen. So the aquatic species, they will die as they will have less oxygen. Deforestation is the clearing of trees. It occurs because of it being cleared for monocultures or economic activities, etc. It also causes habitat destruction, the extinction of species, the loss of soil, flooding, and increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The consequences of deforestation, so the effect will be that the extinction or loss of biodiversity will occur. This is because the forest habitat, especially the tropical rainforest, have a large range of biodiversity, which will be destroyed and decrease the number of plants and animal species. Many of these species will be found in these areas and may become extinct. Soil erosion. Tree roots help to stabilize the soil. This will prevent it from being eroded by rain. Trees will usually take up nutrients and minerals from the soil through their roots. And without the trees, the nutrients and minerals will remain unused in the soil, and this will cause washing away into rivers and lakes by rain. This loss of soil nutrients is permanent and makes it very difficult for forest trees to regrow, even though the land will not be cultivated with crop plants or grass for cattle. Flooding. Without trees, the topsoil will be loose and it will be unstable, and that will be washed by rain, increasing the risk of flash flooding and landslides. Then there'll be increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Trees carry out photosynthesis for their food process, during which they take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen for humans to take in. Then the removal of significant numbers of trees will mean that there will be less carbon dioxide removed from the atmosphere, which will cause greenhouse emissions. When areas of land in forests are cleared for land use, the trees are often burned as opposed to being cut down. This will release carbon dioxide. It is an example of combustion. Further increasing the carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, it will contribute to global warming. So this is the end of our topic. Thank you very much for watching Crazy IGCSE. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Also comment down for any queries. Thank you.